Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Christy and I am a reseller. I sell on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. And today I have finally been able to get me a Goodwill blue box. It took about a week to get to me after I ordered it. They sell out really super quick. Like, I've been trying for months to get one. Not steadily, but you know. And usually I get them in my cart. By the time I go to check out, they're gone. So, excuse me. So this is going to be a quick video. I'm in the middle of cooking dinner, but this came in and I want to get it listed if it's anything good. So I want to unbox it for you. So it's 10 to 12 items, women's box 1XXL. So I also figured if it wasn't great brands, it would fit me. Yeah, so it's 10 to 12 pieces. $24.99 is what I paid plus shipping, so $32.98 out the door. 10 to 12 pieces. And so let's just see what I got. So I haven't looked at anything in here yet. I just undid the box. So this one here is new with tags. It's a Romeo and Juliet couture woman's blouse. Very sheer, very cute floral short sleeve. That's actually really pretty. I like that. So that's not bad. So then we got another thing here new with tags from Macy's. BCX. Let's see. BCX girl. Looks like it's a girl's dress. Very like the hemline. Very pretty. It says it's a size 16. This is actually a little girl size 16, but it will sell, hopefully. Alright, here's piece number 3. It's a Laurelette 1X. Also new with tags. Wow, getting a lot of new with tags I wasn't expecting. That's also very sheer, long sleeve, zip up. It says the retail value was $44. Like a mauve-y color. That's really cute. See, it looks like here we have a pair of pants or shorts. This is a Capri Simply Vera Wang. This pair of blue pants. Size XL. Maybe those will fit me because those look like they might be comfy. Here's another same exact pair of pants. Simply Vera Wang. Capris. This is gray. The other one was blue. No pockets, like faux pockets. Oh, and I guess there's no, it's all faux pockets, no faux pockets. No pockets. That stinks. Oh well. Here's some apartment 9. Capri women's sort of like, oh, what do you call that? Pinstripe sort of design. Not bad. Oh, and that's a size 16. Women's. Let's see, here's something else new with tag. Kato's woman. It's like it's button up. It's got lining in there. It's got like a belt that goes around it. New with tags. Retail value was $21. Let's see, it looks like 2 more items. Told you this would be a quick one, guys. Another new with tag. Morona pair of Capri pants, size 18. Retail value was $20. And no, not last but not least, there's another one underneath there. So this here is an Old Navy new with tag. Pair of capris. Kind of like a capri cargo pant. Size, or gray. Yeah, size 18. And then now, last but not least, it's a Daisy Fuentes. See, is it a blouse or a romper? It's like a blouse. Size XL. Cute. It's not bad. Overall, I think it's a decent box. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you guys have ever ordered from here and gotten anything good. I have watched a few, other people unbox stuff. Some are really good, some are not good. I say this is probably the middle of the road. A lot of new with tags, which is good for fourth quarter. Not great brands. I'm sure I'll probably make my money back at least. Yeah, wasn't bad. Maybe I'll buy another one. If not, if anything else, I got myself some cute clothes, right? All right, everybody. Well, thanks for watching. Thank you for my couple of new subscribers. Appreciate it. If anybody would like to comment below, like, share, subscribe. Even if you just do a like, that helps me with the algorithm, helps me get my videos ranked higher so I can try to get some more subscribers. And I'm going to try to make some more videos. I don't only make a couple, 2 or 3 a month, but I do have a ranch that I run or help run. I have my full-time job and reselling and kids. So I'm a busy woman. So YouTube is like the least thing that I do, but I like to show some of you guys what I buy and what I get and how much I make. So yeah, talk to you guys later and have a great week. Bye.